I'm Deepak Tikle. I'm Executive Director with V-Mark India Limited, and with me, Mr. Vikas Garg, our Managing Director. V-Mark India Limited is a company established in the year of 1999, and we are in the business of wires and cables. The range is domestic wires, low tension cable, high tension cable, up to 33 and up to 66 kV. We have got the facility in Haridwar, and recently we have launched a new range of the product, which is a FlexiTough, and this is E-beam cross-linked technology, and this is a new revolution in the field of electrical industry, where the product has got the capacity of 80% extra current carrying capacity, and it will stand up to 150 degrees centigrade. So this is a special polymer which is called electron beam cross-linked HHFR material, and we are using it for our house wires, the multi-core cables, bright wires, and this is the new range in the market. Along with, we are also launched the new LT cable range, which has got the capacity of 30% extra current carrying capacity. With the same rating, it will withstand for the short circuit, and the life of this material will be more than 60 years. And that gives the green environment friendly material, which saves the material, Mother Earth, nature metals, and of course the processing. So this is the overall green technology which reduces the impact on the Mother Earth. Along with that, we are having the expansion plans of our existing setup, expanding it for the market as the industry is growing, and our plans for this year will be 750 to 800 crore, and next year we will be definitely crossing 1000 crore plus. Along with that, we are going for the export market, where we will be targeting Europe and American market, which has got the big potential, because most of the big companies are going with the China One policy, and that will give us the mileage with our capacity and our expansion plans for the year. For safety, the product which we introduced withstand up to 150 degrees centigrade. Because of that, the short circuit, possibility of short circuit in this wiring is totally eliminated. Now when we compare with the normal wires, it melts at the 65 to 70 degrees centigrade. Now you understand, the ambient temperature is almost 45 degree plus. So you have got a very limited margins of the safety. And this safety and lifespan of the cable gives the edge over the existing wiring practices in India. The application of this product is malls, theaters, commercial complexes, high-rise building, residentials, underground metro stations. These are the prime uses where this product has got the great opportunities.
देखिए, हमारा जो हमने कुछ प्रोडक्ट हमने पिछले 2 सालों में कंज्यूमर मार्केट के लिए कई ऐसे इनोवेटिव प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च किए जिनका मार्केट से बहुत एक्सेप्टेबिलिटी आ रहा है बहुत ज़्यादा, और हम लोग अपनी कंटिन्यू उस एक्सेप्टेबिलिटी की वजह से कंटिन्यू अपनी कैपेसिटीज इंक्रीज कर रहे हैं एवरी ईयर। जैसे B2C के लिए हमने एक वायर लॉन्च किया जो दीपक जी ने बताया अभी, जो एक्चुअली गेम चेंजर है, और तो उसका कैपेसिटी, उसका बहुत ज़्यादा डिमांड है हमारे पास। हम ओवरबुक्ड है और हम कंटिन्यू कैपेसिटी इंक्रीज कर रहे हैं। उधर यूटिलिटी के लिए हमने जो गवर्नमेंट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है, इलेक्ट्रिकल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, उसके लिए हमने कुछ MVCC केबल और एसेसरीज लॉन्च की। वो कंज्यूमर में, एंड कंज्यूमर के लिए बहुत एक्सेप्ट हो रहा है और उसमें भी हमारे पास ऑर्डर बुक बहुत हैवी है और कंटिन्यू उसमें एक्सपेंशन कर रहे हैं। तो ओवरऑल कंपनी अगले 5 इयर्स कंटिन्यू एक्सपेंशन में है।
और MVCC प्रोडक्ट्स एंड जो एक्सेसरीज है, वी आर द फर्स्ट कंपनी इन इंडिया ऑफरिंग द रेंज ऑफ complete accessories along with the MVCC cables with unique arrangement that gives the advantage to our customers for the coordination and better quality of the installations. Electroma is a best platform to showcase our innovative products, our total overall range of the company, our new product ranges, and that gives an idea to our customers, overseas customers, about our company, about our image, and that supports us for the building V-Mark as a brand in the market, and that also gives us an opportunity to meet our new dealer distributor, because presently we are having 1,000 plus dealer distributor network all India basis, and with our expansion plan, such exhibitions gives a mileage over our other friends to expand it fast. Our plan is definitely going for the more than 5,000 dealer distributors across the India in the next coming 3 years.